Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make decorated sugar cookies with royal icing using an easy method. First, let's make the cookie dough. You'll need 2 sticks of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Cream the butter and sugar, then mix in the egg and vanilla. Gradually add the flour until a soft dough forms. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling. Once your dough is chilled, roll it out evenly to about 1/4 inch thick. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. It's crucial to let your cookies cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about decorating them. Now let's prepare the royal icing. You'll need 4 tablespoons of meringue powder and 1 pound of powdered sugar. Whisk these together, then gradually add 6 to 8 tablespoons of water until you reach a smooth consistency. For decorating, you'll want 2 main consistencies, a thicker one for outlining and a slightly thinner one for flooding. Divide your icing and use gel food coloring to achieve beautiful, vibrant colors. With your cookies cooled and icing ready, it's time to decorate. Start by outlining the edges of your cookies using the thicker royal icing. This creates a barrier for your flood icing. Once outlined, immediately fill the inside with the thinner flood consistency. Use a scribe tool or toothpick to gently spread the icing to the edges. Let each color dry for at least 2 hours before adding any additional details or layering colors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.